actually do good on the video. You never know. Stop saying that.
That article I read today really sounds like
And you're doing it. She's like
Dude, that's not legal.
she's like
That doesn't. No, Broden, you can't just say Asian people. What does she think it's like actually outside? Dude, we've got the whole Joey kicking Mark thing in the face. I'm gonna put that on YouTube. I don't know how he's doing it. He kind of just goes like that on the window and it just doesn't fall off. I haven't fixed it. What?
it is ours.
Does it work for you? No way. Did it work?
T-bomb.
I was just like, is that a thing that iPhones can do?
iPhone's built with sticky tabs. Sticky tabs. I wonder if you
Broden
could.
just like puts his hand in like the Sour Punch jaws, puts it on the back of his phone. Just like,
I wonder if you took enough sticky tabs and you just put them all together. It's like
oh, Broden, you know what I wanted
if you
to
could
try?
use it to like
I
stick
saw
things
this
together.
thing on YouTube where this guy buys LEDs, you know, Broden, and he hooks them up to like, you know how in physics we learn batteries, like you can get one that's like this big, like one of those small silver ones, and they'll last for like days.
For days.
So he gets small LEDs, which like, but they're really bright.
Oh, and he like gets like a sticky thing and throws it?
No, he ties, like he gets electric tape, wraps it around so that once the little LED touches the metal, yeah, now it's just like light. Then he gets helium from somewhere, and he fills them up in balloons, and he drops like 5 LEDs in it, and then he lets them go. And they just look like a UFO, like circling
You mean
in the sky. It's just like little LEDs that are just like circling, and they're like really tiny, so it just looks like this UFO in the sky.
There's another one where like this guy makes like a batch of 200 of those.
Yeah.
But, like,
I don't know
he makes
why.
this
I
like,
think maybe it's just your mom's
it's either they're magnetic or sticky or something. And he gets a group of people and they'll just throw them in the building and make them all like lit up with LEDs.
That's actually really funny.
friend from Wisconsin as well. They're gonna make that up.
Like, I mean, I feel like that'd be easy to do, but I don't know where I'd get like the necessary materials, like radio shows like this. It's not as cool anymore because we're not like.
No, I think
No, it was
we do.
cool at the beginning.
Similar, but
When we get there,
oh, here we go. Here's some lights.
Actually, can you send me this video? We'll, like upload it on YouTube. YouTube kills the quality.
or Michigan.
Why?
I have no idea why. Upload any video to YouTube, it's like instantly drops to like 240p, even if it's 10.
Don't say that if you're gonna upload this to YouTube. You're gonna hate. You're gonna hate on you.
I've uploaded like videos on my computer, which is like 1080p, because can't get much clearer. Because it's not like I'm filming real life. Oh god. And it like, it drops it down to like the grainiest quality ever.
you have to wait like an hour.
That's probably true.
Still wondering why Kyle Baker would single out my number to do that.
Is that Asian? I don't know what that is. What language is
I
it?
can get this 4 minutes down to 30 seconds and watch it really quickly. That's gonna look sick. I'll do that when you. Yeah.
Language is that?
Which is like, it's that part of it.
Ew, dude, is that where the staples were?
No, this is
sure
one of the
there are
scores.
Gross, 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 gross. Did it really hurt?
No, I didn't feel it.
Gross, 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 gross. My brother got the worst thing. I can't stand.
What?
I just had to hold my arms every time I
What
talked
did
about
he
it.
get?
He's like reaching for like a tennis ball.
Yes?
And he was on the cycling fence, and he reached, and he was like climbing the cycle, and then
No, it
arm
ripped
gets
all the way down his
stuck.
arm.
No, it just gets stuck there, and like this guy runs out of nowhere, picks my brother up, he like climbs up the thing in like 2 steps, just like takes my brother up, jumps down, puts him down, and runs away.
That's
Fucking weird. My mom's like, "There's my guardian angel." I swear to God, though.
Mario, did you see this?
Yeah, dude, last region. That almost easier. Do it.
No, my
Dan
entire
Smart
arm
Key.
got like cut off. Like halfway through first semester, I fell through a window and it just cut like my entire tricep off. It was just like
Because in Glasgow,
so
apparently
cool.
cuts through
Yeah, me and Broden were filming and I had to like jump through a window. and it messed up, and then it like I was messing around with my brother in the window. That happened just filming for Bird, and I'd never talked to him again.
That was right.
What? That was like, yeah, and it was just like hanging out.
So what did you just like hold him together?
No, well, when I fell through, I looked down at this arm, and I was like, oh, there's like one or two cuts on my hand.
Yeah,
When I look over here, and it's just like, oh,
It hurt a lot.
I didn't feel it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, because it cut right through the nerves.
I feel like
Not lucky.
What did you get?
I was like,
Don't get some get some duct tape and some and the jelly up.
Joey's son, I should have tested back up. No, I didn't feel it.
Because I guess the thing is, it's more
Maybe
part
the
of the
band-aids
country
before
where
they make the big ones.
the rest of the
Sounds like
you wouldn't use it for it. It's like it's
I was just like, someone asked me about that.
but apparently
No, I have like that cartoons. It's like it was random. Like sticky stuff.
Wait, are you guys reading that?
Is that what it is, guys?
Are you still recording?
Yeah, it's 6.
Turn out great.
It's 6:40. I'm on the train. Play that song when you're recording. Just be like, I'm on the train. Is that a real song? Wait.
This is a how-to video. Broden's gonna steal Joey's wallet. Alright, good luck. Let's see. Let's see Broden work in action. This is the best pickpocket I know. Oh wow. Excellently done. Watch, I'm gonna try now. Going. I'm getting coins on the ground.
Oh yeah.
I've successfully stolen the Wait. Brandon, how did you do? How did you do?
Catherine, by the way,
I think in the long run, we got it pretty good. We had some mistakes here and there.
Alright, what would you say you would do better next time?
In the end, everything turned out okay. Next time, I think I'd wait till he was not alerted that I would be stealing his wallet.
Well, what do you have to say about, what do you have to say about the attempt to steal your wallet?
Basically, put him to fire. I got it in my hands. $40.
Oh, but do you? Check again. Check again. Oh, all your money's gone. That's what I thought. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, so maybe you thought you had your wallet, but definitely didn't.
And that's the ex something I could
Mario Modafondo.
the gecko, I thought he was Audrey.
No, is it what he was? I think they changed it.
My favorite is the way the Duncan's on.
Oh wait, dude, look at that.
What
Let me see.
Oh yeah,
Oh, look at all the
we're
cards.
recording on the way.
That's actually really creepy.
Well, he's the one.
The Duncan
I think he lost it.
You can hide behind the seat.
Yeah,
Yeah, Duncan's like a man among boys.
Mario, look over here.
Yeah,
Mario.
One sec, I'll show you later. All you have to know is this is what the video looks like at the beginning, so.
Actually, it's cool.
Looks good.
It's like the darkness to the left.
Oh no,
So,
you can actually see stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just the angle that I was looking at. I thought it was all black.
I'm probably old because Casey showed
Alright,
me
guys.
today, like, wireless headphones. I didn't realize like for your iPhone or your like iPod, you just, I think the thing is that they had like a little strap that would go on the back, just like, right or whatever. They kind of look around here, but they had no wires between them two.
Next station stop. Follow on train.
Did you smell your wallet?
Yeah,
This guy's
actually, Yeah, I can see the food. I think the thing is, like,